This is my little cook kit with a I'm USA cup. I think it's 0.7 liters. And a Trangia stove inside. Hopefully I can get things cooked before it starts to rain. It is beginning to look threatening. Everything sits in a plastic bag inside the cup, which I use for a pot. I found it works best with the stove about half to 2/3 full of alcohol. You can screw the cap on afterwards to save it from one use to another. Don't screw the cap on a hot stove or you'll burn the ring and have to order another one off Amazon. For 2 cups of coffee, I use about 2.5 of these cups of water. Actually works out to about 300 grams or 0.3 liters, which is a little less than 2 full cups. Lighting the stove is easy. Just put the lighter down in there, set the water on top, then go away for 7 or 8 minutes. I should have put this aluminum top on first, which I just made out of a piece of metal flashing. Keep a small stick handy, it'll help in taking it off. Now we just relax and enjoy waiting. The stove has a simmer ring, which you can open up a little bit for simmering. It kind of does work too, pretty well. It also has a top with a no ring in. I suggest just leaving that off to the side and not using it for putting out the stove or anything, or eventually you will burn the O-ring and you have to get a new one. It got a little darker because it seems like it's getting ready to rain pretty soon, so you can see the flame pattern under there. If you have it too far from the stove, the pot, then the flame tends to come up around the sides quite a bit. It will heat your water faster. You may use about the same amount of alcohol, but then you got a chance of burning your hands when you take the pot off. I just have it at 3 inches because it fits inside the pot. 4 inches might be more efficient. At first you can kind of hear it start to simmer. That's why I always take the top off a little bit too early. I want to wait until the steam starts coming out from under the lid, and then it'll be boiling. Okay, there's the steam. It should be boiling. Yep, boiling good. To put it out, you just put the little simmer ring over the top. You got yourself water for coffee or a meal or whatever.